So this is the current state of Jolu. That's from Perez Chapel. That's the current state of it now. From Perez Chapel to Jolu Abelinke Junction, where the fire service is. When him say your car is down, please sign and use the coin way. Avoid this road because in Sono Abba, it was sure pass. So if you know, say your car is so down, it's either you park or you don't use this route because it's not good. And you're good car, and you're good because in Sono Ajury, like it's a lot. There's a lot of water there. Even after saying Sono talk, it's down. Like in Sono Bafom, but still now. Water level isn't going down. So if you avoid this road, if you know that and at traffic, there is traffic too there because of the rain and the road is that slippery into traffic walk on so traffic walk on so into any other place I'll be far just use this is the current state of Jolu Junction right after the rain for the soul. Oh, different location. Be a bit near far. Why? Bye bye, Accra.
I want to see you dance. Because I am chilling with this dress. Yourself enjoy your life. The party at TD. The party at TD. I'm shit. Because I am chilling with this dress. Yourself enjoy your life. The party at TD. I'm in you. Did I know? I didn't. I didn't know. Then leave mommy. Yeah, me may medical on what yet. Begado, Adiano, Bobby Mammy. Hey, bra, will be a would do Casey Babby video. Papa, the other buy no, a patch out. So when I say, who need views, Yamin, how do you make views with patch out? What do Casey about Yamin Abem video?